We all want to save money, right? We tell ourselves that we will spend less, plan our budgets better, and cut out things we don't need. But the real question is, where does your money go every day? The big purchases are usually not the ones that matter. It's the little things you buy every day that slowly empty your bank account. Today, we're going to talk about how to cut down on these daily costs without changing the way you live. This is like taking a look at your own money. At the end of this video, you will learn where money leaks happen, how to stop them, and how tiny changes can save you hundreds of dollars every month. Let's get going. First, let's talk about awareness. You need to be able to see before you cut anything. Most people don't realize how much they spend each month, not because they're careless, but because it's so easy to spend money these days. Subscriptions are automatically renewed. Delivery apps keep your credit card information. Actually, nowadays, you don't have to touch anything to make a payment. Your money leaves your account without making a sound. This is called the invisible leak effect. So, what's the solution? First of all, you need clarity. You can fix the leaks once you see them. So, start by tracking every expense for 30 days. First, you need to put your spending into these categories: housing, food, transportation, utilities, subscriptions, and shopping. The goal isn't to make you feel guilty. It's to provide clarity. Once you notice the leaks, you can fix them. Now let's look at the main categories. Housing, transportation, and food are the three biggest expenses in almost every home. These things often add up to 50 to 70% of all expenses. Everything changes if you work on these three things. Let's talk about the food first. Your budget's most flexible category is this one. Eating out usually costs 3 to 4 times more than making food at home. And it's not just dinner. It's also snacks, coffee, delivery fees, and things you buy for convenience. Little choices can make a big difference. The plan is easy. Cook more and order less. Make a list before you go shopping. Buy store brands, compare prices per unit, and use leftovers wisely. Make one meal and eat it twice. This alone could realistically save you a lot of money. Next, let's talk about transportation. Fuel, insurance, parking, maintenance, and ride-sharing apps can all add up quickly. Transportation is one of the most expensive things in life these days, but even small changes can make a big difference. Do all of your errands in one trip, maintain proper tire pressure, avoid sudden acceleration and braking, and walk when you can. Cutting back on driving by 20% can save you a lot of money each month. Over time, small changes add up. Now let's talk about utilities. People usually think that bills are fixed, but they aren't. Just changing your thermostat by 1 degree can save you money on your energy bills each year. Use LED bulbs, unplug electronics that you aren't using, wash clothes in cold water, and let them air dry when you can. These aren't big changes, but they can help cut waste. Another major category is subscription creep. It is one of the biggest money drains. We all live in a world where subscriptions are everywhere. Apps, streaming platforms, software, cloud storage, and gym memberships can all add up quickly and take a big bite out of your budget. Just ask yourself, if I canceled this today, would I really miss it? If the answer isn't an immediate yes, cancel it. You can always subscribe again later. Lastly, think about the psychological factor. Most unnecessary spending isn't based on logic. It's based on feelings. Stress, boredom, impulse, and convenience drive our spending. That's where the 48-hour rule comes into play. If you don't have to do it right away, wait 48 hours. By doing so, the urge fades, clarity returns, and most needs disappear. So, what's the main takeaway here? Reducing daily expenses isn't about deprivation. It's about making choices on purpose. You can make more room in your budget by getting rid of wasteful spending on food, transportation, utilities, and subscriptions, and that space gives you freedom. Here's your simple challenge for this week. Keep track of everything. Cook at home 4 times, cancel 1 subscription, and avoid 1 impulse buy. That's all. You don't build wealth by making big sacrifices. You build it through smart choices consistently. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more finance-related content. Please leave a comment and tell me what your biggest monthly expense is right now. I'll see you in the next one.